ओई Namaste, Ashana Heights. Namaste. Hey, what is up? How are you? Welcome to UTD 933. Welcome, Janvi. कल मैंने चलो मैं गाते गाते सुनाता हूँ कल रात को मैंने क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया. नहीं, मुझे रात को एक सेकेंड या मुझे रात को प्यास लग रही थी. क्या मुझे रात को प्यास लग रही थी और जब लोगों को प्यास लगती है, जब लोगों को प्यास लगती है तो वो क्या करते हैं. मुझे रात को प्यास लग रही थी. बताओ जब लोगों को प्यास लगती है तो वो क्या करते हैं. जैसे कि टाना हाइड ने कहा, मैं गया किचन में, मैं गया किचन में हैंड स्टैंड करने, फिर नहाने के लिए और जाके सुसु करने के लिए मैं गया किचन. मेरे किचन के बाहर बैकयार्ड है और किचन से वो दिखता है. I shouldn't tell you, मैंने कर रखा है वो जानवी. मैंने किचन से बाहर देखा और देखा बैकयार्ड में मुझे दिखा एक प्राणी, मेरी प्यारी बिल्ली. मेरी बिल्ली दिखी मुझे जिसका नाम अज़ूला है, अज़ूला रानी. फिर मैं दरवाजा खोल के गया. अज़ूला कुछ छुपा रही थी. अज़ूला कुछ छुपा रही थी. अज़ूला कुछ छुपा रही थी. मैं उसके पास गया, वो छुपा रही थी. मुझे पता चला कि अज़ूला है. मैंने देखा वो क्या छुपा रही थी. मैंने देखा वो क्या छुपा रही थी. मैंने आगे कदम लिया, देखने की कोशिश करी और देखा एक मरा हुआ छोटा बच्चा माउस का यस एंड उसको खा गई, वो खा गई वो खा गई वो खा गई रसूला, छोटा बच्चा था वो। क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तू पागल है क्या? क्या बनती है तेरे को खाने को, मैं इनफ देता नहीं हूँ। ओह बहुत ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग था वो, बट ऑफ कोर्स इसका नेचुरल हैबिटेट है यार, यू नो। were you thinking a dead child? No, but it was a dead child. It is dark, and वो छोटा सा, इतना छोटू सा यार, इतना छोटू सा प्यारा सा। ओह चीज़ मैंने देखा, आज तो तुझे मैं खाना नहीं दे रहा। You have habitat है, like you know she has to survive outside। रोज को मैं घर पे, like मेरे को नहीं पता वो मेरे घर के अलावा कहीं जाती हुई है, whatever, like जाती होगी, but उसको खाना नहीं मिलता। she has to survive for it। it is a nature, and it is apparently one of the natures which is the best thing about having a cat। you will never have rats in your house। but your second girl was chopped up tail। my survival instinct है, it is okay, and I am glad she's able to do this। and मेरे को बहुत पहले से पता था कि ये मारती होगी चूहे और खाती होगी, because you need it necessary। अरे मेरे सामने चबाई है उसे, ठीक है, टर्न हाइड चबाया उसने, आए मुझे शायद, आई थिंक मैंने उसके बोन्स क्रश होती की आवाज सुनी है। दिस इज प्रॉपर 18+ शिट नो। किचन में सुसु से याद आया, प्रांशु भैया के दोस्त ने भंडी में प्रांशु भैया के रूम में मेरे और प्रांशु भैया के सामने सुसु करी, उनकी दीवार पे बोले ओह माय फकिंग गॉड। Oh no, Rana, hi, what are you saying? भाई जानवी ये बहुत मेस्ड अप है। किचन में सुसु करने का आई थिंक ऐसा हुआ था, आई थिंक वी वर वेरी 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 ड्रंक। मेरे साथ 2 वियर्ड केसेस हो चुके हैं, आई नॉट टेल द अदर वन, बट हाँ वी वर वेरी 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 ड्रंक एंड समवन लाइक कुछ हुआ था, एंड लाइक आई वाज लाइक आई रियली हैव टू पी, एंड समवन वाज हॉगिंग अप द वॉशरूम, एंड everyone started laughing about it कि तो काम है यहीं सुसु सिंक में सुसु कर दे। I just did it। I was very drunk। This is out of the 2 times I have actually pissed in a sink। oh मैंने बहुत आई थिंक द अमाउंट ऑफ प्लेसेस आई हैव पीड इज फकिंग इनसेन ब्रो। मैंने दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर जगह पे भी सुसु किया है, ठीक है। मैं आई हैव पीड, आई हैव वंस वॉक्ड फॉर 1 kilometer टू पी इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ वाटरफॉल, जस्ट सो दैट यू नो एक वाटरफॉल दिख रहा हो जब मैं आई एम डूइंग माई बिजनेस, एंड इट्स दैट्स ट्रू, दैट्स ट्रू। बट ऑनेस्टली जहाँ मैं बड़ी जगह मैंने जहाँ अपने वॉशरूम करे हैं, लाइक वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग सीनरिक, वहाँ पर कोई ह्यूमंस आ ही नहीं सकता। लाइक नॉट अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग कांट गो। एक रसूला को बाहर जाना है, जा शादी जा कुछ जा बढ़िया। सो मैं बहुत पर्टिकुलर, जब स्पेशली हम ट्रैक कर रहे होते हैं, so I have little waterfall in front of larger waterfall, ha। I've driven bhandis, I've different kind of bhandis, lol, can't relate। I'll tell you a story about how I told you Janvi about Mitra, what she did on my birthday, it's not disgusting at all, it's very funny। I ever told you what Mitra did on my birthday? Everyone was fucking hammered, okay, उस time, like super sloshed, and उसके बाद And there's this guy, I have a friend, his name is Harsh. So Mitra goes to the kitchen and she's like, "Acha, everyone's like, ठीक है bro. I'll wait. I have to give you some context. Balcony में लोग, चल रहा है लोगों का. In the living room, people are dancing. In my room, Manas, all of these guys, these are jamming. Acoustic session चल रहे हैं. कैलाश खेर zones चल रहा है, ठीक है. In भैया's room कुछ और बकतोजी चल रही है. In kitchen, there is Mitra Vanda, my friend called Amber, and there's my friend called Harsh. Okay, and Harsh is one of the most interesting humans. He's so intelligent. He's so in that fucking state of mind. Like he's sloshed. ठीक है, I don't think वो उससे ज़्यादा slosh होता है. वो slosh, वो कह रहा है, and everyone's having like सब snacks खा रहे हैं, वो खा रहे हैं, उसको भूख लगी. उसने खाना देखा भंड हालत में. वो he goes to the kitchen and he's like, open the fridge. He sees lettuce, he sees some salad, he sees he just checks out. In that state of mind, he took out some bread, he took out some pans and started making a freaking crazy sandwich. Okay, with he put some meat in it, cheese dala, ye dala, wo dala, everything is fucking like crazy ass. वो बनाने लग गया. And he fucking made her use ये सब हो रहा है, and I am everywhere basically because it's my birthday. And then Mitra Vanda was like, do you have butter? And so Harsh is like, yeah, you can, I think fridge mein. So she goes like, she takes out the butter wala thing and she ate the entire thing. पूरा butter का वो खा गई भाई, वो पूरा का पूरा butter. She just ate it भाई, she just ate the entire. और उसके बाद से, so I missed this part, but my friends saw all this and तब से उसका नाम उसने हम सब ने butter lady रख दिया, ठीक है. And I wanted to see this because मुझे भी देख रहा था भाई, कितना cool है भाई. वो पूरा butter भाई, वो full 500 ग्राम मतलब अच्छा खासा brick. And उस टाइम like मेरे घर का है वो, तो हम घर पे बहुत सारा बटर लेते हैं, तो वो एक बड़ा सा एक हमारे पास एक डब्बा है जो सबके घर में होता है, द बटर बॉक्स. वो पूरा बॉक्स फिनिश. एंड हर्ष मस्त अपना सैंडविच खाते खाते देख रहा है ये क्या हो रहा है. और हर्ष एंड नंबर, दे आर लाइक अ मैरिड कपल. ओके, and they're tripping, man. They're tripping after seeing this. And they come and tell me this. And I'm tripping. I'm like, what? And then I went kitchen. I think I saw Mitra Vanda finishing the bill. Like, somewhere in between. Not finishing. Like, I think she about half the bitter tab I went. But later she finished. I was like, kya cool hai bhai Mitra. Mitra बहुत cool hai. Like, she's very, very cool. Like, she's epic. और भाई मधेवा के लोग हैं, गुड इवनिंग सबको. मतलब मैं तो हमेशा यही हूँगा, मैं भी तो मधुरिमा हूँ यार. मतलब अगर मेरे अलावा मधुरिमा के लोग हो तो वो मधुरिमा वाले लोग हैं. अगर मैं हूँ तो मैं मधुरिमा वाले लोग नहीं हूँ. ये क्या, आई एम किडिंग राहुल, आई एम किडिंग. I am behaving like every Gen Z ever, getting offended by anything. No offense. I'm kidding. ऐसा नहीं है. By the way, I also feel कि जो अभी generations आ रही हैं, Gen Z है, like generations तो Gen Z तो old होने वाले हैं, but all of these guys are fucking talented भाई. They have seen a technology involved in such, उनका first part of technology was also advanced, so the way they think is, मैं blown away हो चुका हूँ. Some of the people I've met who are in that age group, who are like 20, 21, 22, I am blown away the way they think यार. It's fucking insane. उन्होंने आपको ही बोला था, वो एक्स्ट्रा सेंटेंस मेरे लिए था. ये गाना तो बहुत समय से नहीं गाया हमने. बहुत ही नॉर्मल गाना है. नॉट हिंदी वाला. हाय I will always be one of those humans, and I don't mind people getting high, but I will always promote not getting high. Okay, I will always promote it. What is wrong with me, Rahul? There's something inherently wrong with me. There's genuinely something really inherent. Like the fact that you notice कि इसका FX unit है should have made me glad. But the first thing in my head when he said the reverb hits good, even though it has a reverb, what you're hearing is a slap delay. And मेरा दिमाग कह रहा है it is a slap delay. And उसी के बाद मेरा like Binayak, are you stupid, man? Why is this even important? Like, why was this your first thought when someone said this reverb is good? And I'm like, oh my god, that's what I'm saying. Something is inherently wrong with me. Like, you saying reverb and I'm thinking it's a slap delay is obviously something wrong with me. Anyways. Farewell, there's no blood, there's no alibi, 'cause I've drawn regret from the truth of 1,000 lies. So let mercy come, wash away what I've done. Face myself to cross out what I've become, erase myself and let go of what I've done. Put to rest what you've thought of me. Well, I've drawn this slate, or clean this slate with the hands of uncertainty. So let mercy come and wash away what I've done. I face myself to cross out what I've become, erase myself, let go of what I've done. Oh, baby, I've done. I'll start again, and whatever pain may come today, this ends. I'm forgiving what I've done. I face myself to cross out what I've become, erase myself and let go of what I've done. What I've done, forgiving what I did. आज हमने एक सर्टेन महेश सॉन्ग सुना मैंने बड़े दिन बाद सर्टेन महेश सॉन्ग एक्चुअली एक आई कैन ऑल्सो से डाल ई गूगल करना व्हाट डाल ई मीन्स बहुत नर्डी लगूंगा मैं You mean like this? Weirdly किसी को ये पढ़ेगा ना उसको गुस्सा आएगा मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा थैंक यू राहुल यहाँ भी ना राहुल मैंने छोटा सा एक शो किया था a few months back and वहाँ भी लोग ऐसे हो गए थे oh, you're playing the guitar like this oh, I've never seen someone like that and so of course there are people who do it like this but like interesting and I'm like oh how does it work and I was like okay Of course यहाँ chat GPT users हैं Actually I don't want to slap delay on this one Today is gonna be the day I'll never look back to you. British song. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the war was on the street and the fire really had it out. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lies that lead the way are blind here. There are many things that I like to say to you, I don't know how. Because baby, you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my one to hold. Today is gonna be the day that I'll never realize you. By now you should have somehow realized what you had to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead today. It's gonna be late. That will never throw it back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do. How about you now? Lead you there blind. There are many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how. मस्त थ्री में because baby you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after you're my wonder. Whoa. मुझे बड़ा पसंद है करना, किसी को 4 को 6 में गाना, 6 को 4 में गाना अच्छा ही होता है भाई. एनीथिंग इन 6 will sound good. I think it is one, it will always sound good in 6. It will always sound soulful in 6. कोई भी गाना बोलो, दुनिया में कोई भी गाना बोलो. Yesterday ले लो, चलो स्लो करते हैं. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. On a later day, oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not the man I used to be. There's a shadow. One of my favorite things in the world is actually when people go from 6 to 4. I don't know if anyone's heard Norwegian Wood by Kurt Elling. That's what he does, and it's beautiful. Or Becca Stevens' version of Kiss from a Rose, and she goes like this as well. जैसे ऐसे ना, there used to be a great tower alone on the sea. Becca Stevens goes like, there used to be a great tower alone on the sea. You became the power. बड़ा अच्छा है वो. और I think Norwegian Wood के साथ भी जैसे I think the original song is I once had a girl, or should I say she once had me, and Kurt Elling goes like, I want na 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 de da da de na da. She talked until 2. It's time for when. हाँ बहुत अच्छा गाना है वो. और somewhere in the Madhurima archive you will see the Mahava, Arham and Vinayak singing Kiss from a Rose in 7. कैसा था वो? इसको बंद करना पड़ेगा डिले के बहुत कम. ऐसा कुछ था, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था. महाबा मैंने और हमने, I might have a voice recording. I don't even remember it. I don't fucking remember it. It's a good thing. It was fun. And everything was done in one day and we won. That was fun. पता नहीं कैसा. I think that's why I used to love competitions. जो चीज़ challenging लगती थी वो कर लो and you get to learn that kind of things. It was a very good exercise. I think we all three were very happy with it. Considering we did it in one night. And उसमें हम बहुत time changes कर रहे थे. And with harmonies and parts and everything, it was very fun. I miss having 2-3 musicians at least. सो जाएं. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Trying to may God bless you. May God bless you. Try to hide. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Try to hide. Also, हमने वो टाइम सिग्नेचर बदलने के लिए नहीं किया था. I think we were jamming. And I, Mahabharata, someone meant like, it was a very intuitive thing. Like something happened. It was a very instinctive thing that happened with me and Arham. And I was like, fuck this shit, let's do it. And Maha was like, oh no. And we were like, fuck this shit. And I was like, we just did it. Was it the smoothest trying to hide? Was it the smoothest happy birthday? अभी तक का. Was this the smoothest happy birthday? मुझे पता आप क्या आंसर करोगे. I wish I could tell the other people before what you're gonna answer. But since I've said that, I think you might change your answer. Because you'll be aware of your answer. ये तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. जीत गया उठाना है. And I should have expected this. पता है आप बहुत क्रेजी बुक्स लिख सकते हो. The way you connect everything together every time is fucking insane. This is also a good trait for a stand-up comedian. I was expecting a very trying to hide witty nice answer, like which would appreciate this birthday as well as the other birthdays. Like, you know, I wouldn't call it diplomatic, but they would find a way that it would be a very, which they did. So I wasn't wrong. Like a clever way of doing it. Good night, Janvi. Good night, Janvi. Good night, Ma. Good night, Ma. Good night, night. Good night. Good night, Rahul. Good night, Try not hide from the world. Good night. अरे हम का बताई भैया. मुझे लगा चूहा बिल्ली वाले को इमोजी आने वाले हैं, बट नहीं आए. थैंक गॉड. जानवी सो गई. जानवी है भी यहाँ. जानवी है ही नहीं यहाँ. Is she celebrating the funeral? आए थे ऊपर. Thank you. Oh, I just saw that. Tryna है. See, आप एक तो लेवल ऊपर ही रहे. अरे आप 2-3 स्टैंड्स आगे रहते हो मुझसे जिंदगी में. I did not end this life because I was expecting those emojis. अभी because it felt like वो emoji का time है. And I was like, and I waited कि I'll not quit the life because लगा क्यों ना emoji है, पर वो actually आपने डाल रखा है ऊपर. See महिमा, ये तो देख रही हमारी bonding, देख रही हमारी. That's very sweet, Ranaheim. I know this is like my you will quite not quite often, as much as I should be saying this. मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ ये, but मैं time to time I do wanna say it, how grateful I am, Ranaheim. Thank you so much for everything. Good night का fix होता है, that's true. But thank you, आपका भी. Good night.